Hey guys, welcome back to Bite Me Belly. I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy miso salmon. Super easy, fairly quick. Let's get started. Some parchment paper on my baking dish. Here, get the salmon on it. Okay, now we're going to get some red miso, maple syrup, and garlic. Put the miso in here. I'm gonna grab a few scoops. Now make sure it's a red miso. Pour some maple syrup in the bowl. Put a good amount. Put about equal of the amount of miso that you put. So if you put a little spoonful, put a spoonful of syrup. I'm gonna mix it together now. Create a nice liquidy paste. I'm gonna squeeze some garlic in there. The preheat is ready. I preheat it at 400 and we're gonna be baking this for 12 minutes. Let's get the garlic in. We're gonna mix that together. I'm going to put a little bit more maple syrup, so I want to just look slightly liquidy. Okay, let's put this on the fish and stick it in the oven. Now we're going to bathe our salmon with our miso, maple syrup, and garlic mixture. I'm going to coat every corner of it. This is what your fish should look like. Now we're gonna stick it in the oven for 12 minutes. While the fish is cooking, I'm gonna make some sushi rice to serve underneath the fish. Turn that on. All right, the rice is gonna cook in the meantime while the fish is cooking, and they both should be done at the same time. Nice and goldeny. I'm gonna broil it. Sprinkle some pepper. Alright, the fish is done. I'm going to show you how it looks. It looks so good. Nice and golden. I'm going to show you how to serve it together. You have your delicious miso salmon with some rice and broccoli. It's ready to eat.